1:22 in the afternoon, Sunday, December 26th, the day after Christmas. It has started to snow hard, and they are calling for a blizzard in the Philadelphia area. Yeah, it's coming up pretty hard right now. Getting all wet with the snow. It's fine snow, but it's falling heavily. And there is now, I would say maybe about an inch on the plants and on the ground. The cars are starting to get all covered, and it's coming down. It is 4:30 in the afternoon, and it has been snowing non-stop. The ground is all covered now, and it's just falling steady. It hasn't stopped. There's up the steps going up to the kitchen, and there is the picnic table. It's blowing. It's blowing from the roof. It's really blowing. Snowing straight. How much do you think we have now? I don't know. It's all over the side of the house. The tree is starting to look heavy. Look at that. The whole street is covered. Still bouncing. Look at that. It's still blowing. Look, these are the steps of the house. You can see them. More steps in here. There by the light, it's cold. Whoa. Hey, did you see that falling off the roof? There's the roof over there. It doesn't start raining out. Cars going on. Street is all covered. We're at the front door. Upstairs, upper level in the house. Watch it out, we don't fall in the snow. Look at that. No, door waiter. Can you see that parking lot, Abby? Ooh, there's snow on the door. Yeah, very cold. Those are the steps going from the kitchen. Full of snow. everything is full of